Are you ready to transform your home into a love-filled haven without breaking the bank? This Valentine's season, we're diving into the best Dollar Tree Valentine decor ideas that will make your space radiate romance, creativity, and charm. From DIY crafts to pre-made gems, we've got something for every style. Let's turn those budget-friendly finds into stunning decorations that will wow your loved ones. What pre-made Valentine's Day decorations are worth buying? If crafting isn't your thing, Dollar Tree also offers fantastic pre-made core items that can save time without compromising on style. Some popular options include miniature LED light-up signs. These add a cozy glow to any corner of your home. Tabletop figurines. Think Cupid statues, mini vases, or heart-shaped trinkets that can enhance your shelves or coffee table. Door hangers and window clings. Instant festive vibes with minimal effort required. Want more ideas like this? Check the description for a playlist filled with budget-friendly decor inspirations. What are some quick Valentine's crafts for kids using Dollar Tree items? Getting the little ones involved in Valentine's crafting is easy with Dollar Tree supplies. Some kid-friendly crafts include heart-shaped card-making kits. Let them create cards using foam shapes, stickers, and glitter glue. DIY Valentine's mailboxes. Use small Dollar Tree boxes, decorate them, and let kids exchange Valentine's notes. Paintable wooden hearts. A fun and mess-free craft that kids can paint and gift to loved ones. Looking for more fun activities? Check the description for similar videos and more family-friendly ideas. How can I use Dollar Tree products to set a romantic table? Your Valentine's Day table can be romantic and stylish without breaking the bank. Dollar Tree offers elegant chargers and plates. Pair white plates with red or gold chargers for a sophisticated look. Faux rose petals and candles. Scatter petals and add tea light candles for instant romance. Glassware and DIY wine charms. Use Dollar Tree stemware and personalize them with heart-shaped beads for added flair. Enjoying these tips? Subscribe to my channel so you never miss out on budget-friendly decor ideas. What are the best Dollar Tree items for Valentine's DIY projects? When it comes to creating your Valentine's Day decor, Dollar Tree is a treasure trove of crafting supplies. From heart-shaped foam boards to mini wreath forms, these items provide endless possibilities for creativity. Some standout finds include heart-shaped foam boards. perfect for crafting wall hangings or table centerpieces. Wooden cutouts and stickers, great for adding detail to your DIY projects like garlands or personalized gifts. Glitter tool and ribbon. These materials can elevate any project with texture and sparkle. Love these ideas? Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends for more inspiration. How can I elevate Dollar Tree items to look expensive? The key to making Dollar Tree items look upscale lies in pairing and presentation. Here's how. Spray paint magic. Use metallic spray paints to transform inexpensive plastic or wooden items into high-end decor. Layering textures. Combine faux flowers, burlap, and glitter accents to create a luxurious feel. Thoughtful arrangements. Use Dollar Tree glassware and vases to create cohesive centerpiece displays. Everything you've seen today is easy to recreate. Check the description for links to products featured in this video. How can I create elegant wall decor using Dollar Tree items? Dollar Tree supplies can be turned into stunning wall decorations with just a bit of creativity. Here are some ideas to get started. DIY heart garland. Use heart-shaped cutouts, twine, and clothespins to create a charming garland. Hang it across your mantle or walls for a festive look. Framed quotes. Grab a few Dollar Tree frames and print romantic quotes or designs to create personalized art pieces. Wreath designs. Use a wire wreath form, red and pink ribbons, and faux flowers to make a beautiful wall wreath. Got more ideas? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear your favorite DIY decor hacks. There you have it, your guide to turning Dollar Tree Valentine decor ideas into show-stopping creations that look far more expensive than they are. Whether you're crafting, decorating, or simply setting the mood, these tips will make your Valentine's Day unforgettable. Which idea are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to share this video with someone who loves DIY as much as you do.